Steel grating, also known as metal grating or bar grating, is made by combining flat steel and crossbars in a specific pattern and welding or pressure locking them together.
Types of steel grating. Welded steel grating. Welded steel grating is a type of industrial flooring created by welding together flat steel bars and crossbars at right angles. This produces a strong and durable grid-like structure that can support heavy loads and resist impact and fatigue. Welded steel grating is widely used in industries such as construction, mining, and transportation for platforms, walkways, drainage covers, and other applications where strength and durability are essential. Type SL Swag Locked Steel Grating. Swag Locked Bar. Grating is an industrial steel grating created using a swagging process that locks crossbars securely in place, providing high strength-to-weight ratio, minimal deflection, and maximum safety. Ideal for industrial platforms, walkways, and catwalks in various settings, including factories, plants, and refineries, as well as power and chemical plants. Press-locked steel grating. Press-locked steel grating is made by locking the crossbars into the notches of the bearing bars by a pressing process. This type of grating is used where a high level of slip resistance is not required, such as in drainage ditch covers. The features of steel grating. Spacing table of steel bar grating. The process flow and duration estimation for steel gratings. Step 1. Raw material preparation. 1. 2 days. Raw materials for steel gratings can be carbon steel, galvanized steel, or stainless steel. The most common choice is low-carbon mild steel because it is inexpensive and easy to weld. To maintain this process flow, all the materials must be cut to size and cleaned to remove any dirt, grease, or other contaminants. Not to mention, the raw material must go through quality control to be approved. Step 2. Edge preparation. Step 3. Steel grating machine. Step 4. Marking. Step 5. Maintenance. Step 6. Inspecting and packaging. Step 7. Packaging, 1 days. The advantage of our steel gratings.
Gratings offer a range of advantages including high strength, high bearing capacity, and excellent resistance to stress. They also provide effective ventilation, lighting, and heat dissipation. Additionally, they are highly durable and resistant to both corrosion and rust. All of these features make our steel gratings a reliable and long-lasting choice for a variety of applications. Transform your project with high-quality steel grating from us. Contact us today to get started.